So today's video is a bit different than normal. Halloween is coming up in a few weeks time, and this week I've decided that I'm going to be making my Halloween costume for you. So if you're new to my channel or haven't followed me on Instagram, I actually make a lot of Space Girl illustrations. I really enjoy doing these, and I have done a lot of them in the past. What I want to do for my Halloween costume is I want to draw myself as one of my Space Girls, and I want to create a costume based off it. So I am going to draw what I want the costume to look like, and then I am gonna put it together. I also want to paint a space gun. As you can see, I've also dyed my hair pink, so I want to make sure that my illustration includes my pink hair. I'm probably gonna keep most of the color in the costume to kind of a pinky purple like my hair, and I also want to put mostly silver because that's kind of more astronauty, and I don't think I've done a silver space girl yet. So I'm gonna go and get started on creating the illustration. So I finished the final illustration of what I want my outfit to look like. So I've decided to go for a silver, maybe even holographic kind of skirt and top, and maybe even a dress with a pink belt, pink like arm warmers. If I can't find arm warmers, I'll go for gloves instead. Fishnet tights, and then white boots because I already have a pair of white boots. Then obviously my pink hair, and then I have the Dealy Boppers on top. Usually I would have drawn one of my Space Girls with a space helmet, but that's something that I'm not really going to be able to make very easily, and wouldn't be comfortable to wear at all. So instead I'm just going to go for Dealy Boppers to kind of represent it instead. And then of course I've got my space gun. I've actually spray painted this with primer. So now it is ready to start painting. I'm actually going to paint it in two separate parts just to make it a little bit easier for me. I have actually bought some new colours of paint. I've got this iridescent pinky colour, and this metallic iridescent silver, which I think will work really well for the gun. I'm actually going to mix these with other colours as well. I don't know if you can see, but there are different parts on the gun. So there's like a wire coming out there, which I'll paint that silver, but I would put some shading in that too. And I think that just needs some other shades of pink in there as well. So I'll probably mix them with other colours, but they're going to be my base colours for it. So I'm going to go and get started on painting this. So it's been a couple of days and I've finished painting the gun. It actually took me a lot longer than I thought it would, but I am really happy with the final outcome, and I think it will look great with my costume. I've also got my costume here with me so I can show you what I bought for it. So first up, I've got this little silver skirt. It's kind of metallic. I'm not sure if it shows up great on camera, but I think it will look great, and it will give that kind of metallic-y effect to my costume that I want. I also got this top to match. The neck is a little bit lower than I would have liked it to be. It's a bit of a weird top, but I think it actually looks really spacey, and it does look good with the skirt. Then I've got these. These go on my arms. They cover pretty much all the way up to my elbow, and obviously they kind of match my hair as well, and the gun and the other accessories I've got. So I've also got this pink belt, and that matches really well with the gloves I've got. I'm so surprised I managed to get a colour that was so close to this, and I think these will look great together. And then I've got these, which I got from Amazon. I've also got this holographic choker. It actually kind of splits away into 4 separate parts. I've also got this bag, which is shaped like a rocket, and this is holographic as well, so that will go well with the choker. This I actually got on eBay. Someone had used it once and they didn't want it anymore, so I did manage to get it really cheap. But I've seen this going for quite a lot, as I think it's quite a rare bag. I mean, personally, it's not something I'm ever really going to use for other than this costume. But as I did get such a good deal on it, I think it's fine for this costume. And then I've got my painted gun that I did earlier in this video. I'm really happy with how this came out. I think it looks pretty good considering it was originally just a plastic green toy water gun, and I really like how the shading came out on it. I have also got this chain which I used for another costume, and I'm thinking of possibly attaching the gun to this, to my skirt in some way, just so I don't lose it. Because I'm a little bit worried that, you know, I might put it down somewhere and forget about it. And it's also a way to like tuck it into my pocket or into my belt as well. And this can make sure it doesn't like fall out or something. Because I don't want to lose my gun after all that time I've spent on making it. So now I might as well put it on and show you what it looks like. So here is my finished costume. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a little bit different to what I normally did, but I thought it'd just be fun to make a video on how I made my Halloween costume. Next week my videos will probably turn back to normal and be like fully arty and everything. I just thought this would be a nice thing to do for Halloween. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button so you'll be the first to know when I next upload. If you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up and leave a comment below telling me what you're going to dress up for this Halloween. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!